let's get you breaking updates now coming in. We have the Afghan Foreign Minister's Agra visit being called off. So Wathaki will not be visiting Agra today. The Afghan Foreign Minister will remain in New Delhi. He was scheduled to visit Taj Mahal, but this visit has now been cancelled. In the latest update, the Afghan Foreign Minister Wathaki's Agra visit has now been called off. It's a 6-day visit to India, and today he was scheduled to visit Agra, but that visit has been called off, so he will remain in Delhi. The Afghan Foreign Minister was scheduled to travel to Agra to see the Taj Mahal, but that visit has now been cancelled. We are told that the visit has been called off for now, so he is going to remain in the national capital. So the Foreign Minister is in India for a 6-day visit. My colleague Rishabh is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Rishabh, any reason being attributed to the Agra or the Taj Mahal visit being cancelled by the Afghan Foreign Minister? What are the details?
Well, Pratibha, what we're given to understand that due to the ensuing situation on the Durand line between Pakistan and Afghanistan, the Foreign Minister of Afghanistan, Amir Khan Muttaqi, who is on India visit, has decided to call off his Agra visit, where he was scheduled to visit Taj Mahal, and remains in Delhi to better coordinate with authorities in Kabul to ensure that the coordination between the Foreign Ministry and Foreign Minister continues without any lag, and that's the reason that he has decided to stay back in the national capital of India rather than going to Agra or to visit Taj Mahal.
Okay, all right. So, Rishabh, any more details coming in on for the rest of his day, the schedule, as well as for the rest of his visit? Is that schedule also going to be delayed, or is it going to be cancelled? Any update on that?
As of now, we do not really know whether the visit will continue from here on or not. But as of now, what we can confirm to our viewers is that the Agra visit is not happening. Agra visit has been cancelled. Remember, he is expected to meet business leaders tomorrow in New Delhi as well. Whether he will continue this visit to India due to the ensuing situation on the Durand line or not is a million-dollar question right now. We'll have to wait and see what happens next. In another 2 to 3 hours, we'll have more things to tell our viewers.
Okay, all right. So further clarity expected on that. And Rishabh, we'll come back to you for that update.